But Amanda, why do you like to make things more difficult on yourself? Because I'm cheap. Our coffee maker used to grind the beans for us. It was an espresso maker. It broke after 2 years. So I actually ended up having a lot of whole beans that I couldn't really do anything with. So I ordered a hand grinder. I'll probably wash this, but I don't feel like it. And I ain't scared, so I don't care. This is what she looks like. And that is what I got out of filling this up once with the beans. And that's what I got as far as coffee grounds go. I might have to have my kids do this or something.